Hello, welcome to the Practical Deep Learning on the Cloud course published by Pact. My name is Rastam Feizkhanov and I'm the author of this course. Thank you for taking the course. Let me tell a little bit about myself. I'm a machine learning engineer who works on architecting and deploying data and machine learning pipelines for image data, including satellite and manufacturing imagery. I'm also a serverless enthusiast, and I manage GitHub repo with various libraries optimized for serverless usage. Finally, I'm speaker at a number of technical conferences where I present different ways to deploy deep learning and machine learning applications. Feel free to contact me through GitHub. Now let's take a look at course overview. This course is structured into 7 sections. First, we will start with an introduction to deep learning in cloud, and we will explore why deep learning is so popular and what are the advantages of deploying applications in the cloud. Also, we will look into data science process and how cloud can enable easy and convenient deployment for deep learning applications. Next, we will take a deep dive into serverless and container as a service approaches and learn how they work and what are different ways of deployment using these approaches and what you have to keep in mind. In section 3, we will cover deep learning and TensorFlow. We will look into how to train neural networks, but more importantly, we will cover how to export and import deep learning models and how to use pre-trained neural networks in your application and where you can find them. After that, we will look into how to train and deploy deep learning models using SageMaker in cloud. We will also look into how we can organize training and hyperparameter optimization. In the next 3 sections, we will build a number of applications which will utilize serverless and container as a service approach for deep learning tasks. In section 5, we will make the image data pipeline in the cloud. We will cover AWS Fargate and AWS Step Function services and explore how to deploy everything in a convenient way. In section 6, we will make deep learning training pipeline. We will cover AWS Batch, explore how to use it with AWS Step Functions, and showcase how to deploy the training pipeline. In section 7, we will make deep learning inference pipeline. We will cover AWS Lambda, look at how to use it with AWS Step Functions, and show how to deploy the inference for the pre-trained deep learning model. There are the following goals for this course. Learn about functions as a service and containers as a service approaches, and if they can be applicable in your case. Learn how to use pre-trained neural networks in your application, where to find them and how to integrate them. Learn how to architect and train deep learning models for computer vision tasks. Learn how to architect deep learning applications and what cloud patterns can be useful for your backend. Deploy several deep learning applications and become familiar with AWS services which are used by established companies for real production workloads. Why should you take this course? If you are familiar with deep learning and want to learn how to organize model training and inference in a convenient and easy way, then this course will help you to learn how to architect your deep learning applications. If you want to start using neural networks within your application and want to learn how to integrate them within your existing application, then this course will help you to become familiar with neural networks and ways to architect applications with them. So let's get started with the first section.